Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Before me do anything else, me need to open the package here. Like, me get the package here from November 15. I know it's jewelry, but me don't know what type of jewelry. Like, she didn't say nothing to me, none at all. But me did go through her business page and I see some stuff and I said, I like that. So I don't know if me get it, me I hope for the best, but me could just go in it. Alright. Love the little box here. Guys, I love a cute packaging, trust me. I love, ooh, can I see it? So cute. This is so cute. Silver? Me never own a silver jewelry. Wait, let me think. Armia. Me can't remember. If I did, probably a bracelet. But this is so cute. Excess jewelry. Thank you so much, girl. I really appreciate it. Look and see what else in there. Packaging nice. Girl set up our thing nice. But not gonna lie, yo. Packaging 10 out of 10. I figure I want necklace in this, but make we see. This is so cute. If you want jewelry like this, the earring, the chain, go over to Excess Jewelry, go check her out, support her, and even if you're not ready for buying nothing, just go over there, go follow her and tell her thank you. Go in her DM and say thank you. Make sure you know, say thanks for sending Angel the good jewelry. I really love it. It's nice. So I'm gonna put the information in my description box. I'm gonna pin it in my comment section. So click on it and just go over Instagram, check her out.
Last night was a night to remember.
Wait.
Me tell you.
You like Kaddish.
Me tell you what happened. Last night we went to a fun day with bounce about and water
That's
slide.
a lie. Just tell them like how it is. Guys, I am so... Let me cast myself. Guys, I am so embarrassed. Like, listen, it felt good because I needed that. Like, me just want to come out of the house and be me, just enjoy myself, and you know, I did exactly that and more. I'm embarrassed because when I wake up and I see all of these videos, and I mean, me not feel no way. It's just that I drank and I drank and I drank and I drank, and I carry my own cup to put my rum in, and I never did one little cup, so
that's not a cup.
Big, so
yeah, we didn't talk about mug or jug, you know them juice jug there, and them juice that she bring with her, and big tall juice jug, and every time the jug done, she throw one 2 bottles of rum cream in it, and just refill it.
I get them cute market bag here, I like them. No, so basically it came like this, but when I pull it out, it's like,
oh, for real?
Yeah, so I always carry them to market.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I love it.
So Angel make breakfast.
But hey guys, happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. I love you guys so much. Thanks for always supporting me. I really and truly appreciate it. If we needed a watch no live last night or anything, just cut me some slack because I needed that. Nothing in the house, none at all.
Yeah, we a box of potty.
Right now I want some rice and peas and some stew chicken with some potato salad. I don't know when I eat it, I just want it. So I feel like I'm gonna do that for dinner. However, our fridge not having anything, because I remember from the last video on my family channel, me did even forgive you not clean with me, that never end up work out. But from the last video where everything did up on the counter, most of them stuff that spoil. So my mayo spoil, my cabbage, my pak choi, all of my little things them spoil. My season, so even if I wanted to make something right now, whip up something real quick, I can't go do that. So we're gonna see if we can go supermarket this morning, grab few stuff and then come home and make dinner. Right now I'm tempted to eat this, but I don't have nothing to eat it with. So we're gonna go supermarket. So I'm gonna just straighten up. There's not much in the air for this. So I'm gonna straighten up and, you know, spread my bed and go to the supermarket. All in there, one chocolate with Jessica come give me from when. Guys, this tastes good. I'm gonna try it right now. I'm hungry.
When the shape show that one.
Ooh.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, go and left me. And me I look for you.
The upper front. I will prevent them.
So this would have be pineapple. So them say this almond, cranberry, pineapple, cashew. Not bad, but you know fit for right now. Guys, me can't stop laugh after myself. Babe? Yeah, buy a body wash.
Yeah, babe. I owe you for one and I buy one.
No, you owe me for your set.
No, if you set, I buy whatever I buy right now.
Alright, which set you want?
You want to have a body wash and something nice, babe. Listen, what I say. Sell me a set of your body wash, miss, because when you go to China man store, you can't plot down price. Or tell him what you want. So sell me one, babe. I owe you for one and I'm going to pay for both of them very shortly.
Last night was fun, right?
Don't talk about it.
Guys, me don't want to hear about nothing what me say. Alright guys, so I'm going to mute the video for me to know what's going on right here. So but when I remember, I did tell you that I wait for the rest of stock for launch my business. Well, them reach, so look at them. Business launching soon. Of all of the sent them. Can't really go through everything right now, but I'm just showing you. And your girl came through with some
What's that?
hand soap, the foam one. And for the people them, when I want the big candle, I have the small ones. Guys, me have everything. So I do a touch of every little thing. This as well. Guys, I have every little thing. Business I go launch and everything. This smell nice. This one is nice. But I'm not gonna see all of these on my business page because I know something to go through right now. So I don't really want to, you know, I go through them one by one. But I have everything. I have some Christmas collection as well. I remember the giveaway. Guys, don't take me forget about the giveaway. I need to post the instruction video so you can follow the instructions and something for my 70k mark. Remember when I reached 70k, I did it on my anniversary and you know, I have to come back and settle down, sleep. Guys, I'm gonna have some stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have stuff what I'm gonna really love.
You see this? The pillar must miss or something?
Missed, yeah.
It work like crazy.
It work?
I have a smaller bucket with a glass, fully blue. It's when I spray it in a room of my pillow, it's in less than 5 minutes. And trust me, see next morning, just want to see an army.
Whoa.
Like, it just give your body this relaxing feeling where you just go
yeah,
sleep.
I'm gonna have more than one, so don't worry, guys.
The sleep thing,
yeah,
is how I recommend it. This is like people where half drop of sleep, just spray the room, spray for your pillow, and just lie down and just
Yes, babe?
No, I don't. You want to money me come forward with?
Oh, babe, no, I come in. Don't say that, babe.
For 2 minutes come forward with money straight.
I have...
You get good thing.
No, I come in. I come in.
I trust me, I trust it.
Ooh. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Jesus. May I come back? Let's give you a look update, guys. Guys, I want wine rack, you see? When I remember me telling you I have a problem with putting stuff on the fridge. Mosquito. Yeah, I want wine rack because I really and truly don't want nothing more for them on the fridge. Even though I know that I gotta be something hard for me cut out. But I end up put back stuff on the fridge. I never did want that. Well, last fridge, I did have it packed with a whole heap of stuff. Bread, this, that, and I never want that to happen this time around. So I did just organize in here. So remember when I telling you something I use in here so far, it end up say it already start full up already. Anyways, the bottom shelf here, I gonna use it for the season them. So don't pay them here no mind. Them here to move. This to move because I'm gonna put it under the counter. So all of my oil them are gonna go underneath the counter. But because we did up and down and stuff, I never want to leave everything on the counter because I love my counter space empty. So that's why. See there? This is how I did a run from. I never did want no more cooking oil on the fridge top. Everything I gonna start out very soon, guys. I'm packing back them here. Pack up back the container, guys. Because for the business stuff them, I'm not gonna pack out nothing yet. I'm not gonna pack out the business stuff them yet. Guys, I want one nice shelf. Comment and let me know where I can get a nice big shelf because I want to pack out all of my business stuff. So I'm gonna have candle, hand sanitizer, hand wash, and I'm gonna just organize everything. Like my little, what's the word? For the business people, them have a word. Guys, I do my research in regards to business. I'm gonna make my price list already. This, people did ask me for this too. So I'm not just gonna get random stuff. I do my research, I see what people want, I go through my DM, I see what them ask for, and I buy. So I not buy no whole heap of random stuff. I buy some stuff though. I go up on the internet, them I say this are the best seller, But also I ask questions. Like people them will use Bath and Body Works hard. I ask them questions like what you love, you know. I just do a business people would I do. So I literally take time to do my research. I go up on the internet, I watch videos. I even learn about the notes them in the fragrances and everything. I do my research, guys, and that's why I kind of delay for so long. But my business I gonna drop so when I can get the Christmas collection them because I take some nice candles when I can use throughout December and some nice house spray or room spray. So guys, may I try like when it comes down to candle, me stock up on candle because people ask me for candle whole heap. I really want the shelf because them can't stay in the container for long. If you don't know I can get one nice shelf, comment and let me know so I can see if I can go grab it. Because I want my stuff to be so organized and clean. I bought this mesh off Amazon to put over your business stuff them. So and I like mesh we hung up in the ceiling like it go over your shelf. So that look like something you put over a baby crib. It makes similar to that. And it can adjust because it have the string in it where you just draw it and tighten it. I don't know if you don't understand, but yes. So I want the shelf so I can put the mesh over it so it get dusty. But I pack up my business stuff then I can literally cover up when I finish because you know I don't want to mess up them to get dusty and all of that. So guys, I literally just sit down and do my research like let me tell you, I don't expect everything to be perfect because you know me just a start out. So I mean, I aim for the thing do good. I put my best foot forward.